Alright, language explorers. So let's have some more British English ASMR with tea. How cool is that? Let's have a look. Let's get something interesting. Another footballer. The BBL Cup. British basketball team. British Basketball League. I have never heard of the British Basketball League. This is something new to me. Francois Annabel de Estries, the French diplomat, soldier, and marshal of France. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Adam Reisner, depending on the accent, was a German mystic, hymn writer, and poet. Okay, interesting, to say the least. Okay. Bullard versus Blue Hill Banks. Oh, was a United States Supreme Court case in which the court held that an order from a bankruptcy court denying a debtor's confirmation of a proposed payment cannot be immediately appealed, as it is not a final order. The decision in favour of Blue Hills Banks was unanimous. Okay, right. Bakum municipality. Oh, interesting. Is a municipality of southwestern Sonora, in northwestern Mexico. The population was 21,322 in 2005. Geography. Bakum municipality is located in one of the two valleys of the Yaquik River. The area of the municipality is 1,409.7 kilometers squared, or 544.3 miles squared. It is bounded by the municipalities of Cajeme in the east and Guaymas in the west, and the Gulf of California in the south. The county seat of Bakum municipality is the town of Bakum. The municipality lies next to the large urban area of Ciudad Obregón in Cajeme. Interesting. So, municipality in northwest Mexico. Okay, interesting. Want to have a look at that? Let's have a look. Wow, small little town in the desert. This looks about right for Mexico. Hot, expansive, a lot of desert, and not far from the city either. Yes. Oh wow, yeah. Country, fields and farms. Yeah. And not far from a place called Esperanza, a town called Hope. Isn't that the name? So isn't that the name of a book or something? A town called Hope. Okay, not so sure. Right, Bakum. Wow. El Rancho. Yeah, Ciudad Obregón. Yeah, wow. Sonora. Wow. A place in the middle of nowhere in Sonora. Wow, okay. Let's keep going. Let's have a look. What else do we have? Thomas Spencer Baines. Thomas Spencer Baines, 24th of March, 1823 to 31st of May, 1887, was an English philosopher. Baines was born in Wellington, Somerset, to a Baptist minister. He intended to study for Baptist ministry and was at a theological seminary at Bath with a view with that view, but being strongly attracted to philosophical studies, left it and went to Edinburgh, where he became the favourite pupil of Sir William Hamilton, of whose philosophical system he continued an adherent. Very interesting. So when did this Hamilton... Oh wow, very interesting to say the least. The Sights. The Sights are a rock and roll band from Detroit, Michigan, formed in 1988. The band has toured in the United States, Canada, and the UK. Wow. All right. So let's look at one. Let's have a look at one more. Okay, not sure. Sal Maide. Sal Mamede, or Saint Mames, is a former civil parish in the municipality of Lisbon, Portugal, at the administrative reorganisation of Lisbon. On 8th of December 2012, it became part of the parish Santo Antonio. Santo Antonio is a civil parish and district of Lisbon, in the capital of Portugal, located in central Lisbon. Santo Antonio is east of Campo de Ourique, north of Santa Maria Maior, west of Arios, and south of the Avenidas Novas. It is known for its luxury shopping, Michelin-star restaurants, and as a home of many of Lisbon's most recognisable landmarks and neighbourhoods, such as the Marquês de Pombal Square, Avenida de Liberdade, and Restaurandora Square. Oh, wow. Very similar to Spanish in some ways. The population in 2011 was 11,836. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? A little bit of British English ASMR with tea, with mugs and cups from Mexico. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.